Hi dear friends, today is the topic cyber attack protection. The objective of this video is to bridge the gap in information security by breaking down complex, breaking problems in more manageable, repeatable functions. Detect, reporting, remediation. The guides solely focus on building repeatable process in cycles. When implementing, it is recommended to start small and then incrementally and continuously define each task and subtask in the cycle. While you as an individual or an organization may not know all answers to the questions outlined in the vulnerability management guide,